Hello everyone. In this video, we will be doing the activity for finding out the area of a trapezium. Let us begin. So the aim of the activity is to find the area of a trapezium by paper cutting and pasting method. The material required is origami sheets, ruler, pencil and fevistick or any other adhesive. The pre-acquired knowledge for the same is we need to know about the concept of trapezium and the parallelogram. We need to know about the concept of altitude and the concept of area of parallelogram. Let us see the procedure. So the first step is to draw trapezium ABCD on the origami sheet such that AB is equal to A units and base DC is equal to B units. So I hope you all know what is a trapezium. It is a quadrilateral having only one pair of sides parallel. So I'll take AB and DC parallel here and the measurements are given to me as A units and B units. So this is the trapezium I have drawn. AB is equal to A units and DC is equal to B units and AB is parallel to DC. Next, what is the second step? I need to draw the altitude AE, which is equal to H units on DC from A. So let us do that. I have drawn the altitude, 90-degree angle, and this height is how much? This distance between the two parallel sides is how much? It is H units. I mark it as figure 1. So this is going to be my first figure to be pasted in my notebooks. Next, what I do is I draw an identical trapezium, just exactly same congruent figure, exactly same as the trapezium ABCD, and I mark it as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. It's congruent, so it has to have the same dimensions. But this time I'll use a different color. There I had used the red color. Now I'm using green. You can use any two colors. So I have used red and green. So I draw another trapezium. So again, it has the dimensions as A units and as B units. Now I'll draw the altitude exactly the same way. And I need to invert it now. So the inverted figure is the second figure. So I mark this as figure 2. So this is going to be my second pasting work. So I have made the trapezium. So I've made two identical trapeziums. One I have pasted as the upright position and the second one I've inverted and pasted, which becomes my figure 2. So my next step is that I join the trapezium ABCD with and the inverted trapezium A dash, B dash, C dash such that BC coincides with D dash, A dash. So I take this trapezium and I take my inverted trapezium and I join them both of them such that B dash and D dash, A dash coincide. So I'll just shift this one to here such that they two, both of them join. So what do I get? I get a quadrilateral A, C dash, B dash, D. You can see I've just joined these two quadrilaterals and BC and D dash, A dash are coinciding. See the pasting work also. This becomes figure 1, which we've already drawn. This was figure 2. And now the third one, this becomes figure 3. So I hope these three pastings are clear to you. You'll be pasting this as the first figure, the second figure, and the final figure is this one. Now I'll just show you exactly what I've done.
I have taken two identical trapeziums.
With the sides as A and B units and the height H. Let me move this. What I've done is I've taken the inverted one and I have joined them such that these two sides coincide. Now you can see what is the type of quadrilateral I am getting. This side is parallel to this side. What is the length of this side? The base, that is B plus A. The length of the top side is A plus B. That means these two sides are equal and they are parallel. So what kind of figure I have formed? I have formed by joining the two trapeziums, I have formed a parallelogram with a pair of sides equal and parallel. So this is the GeoGebra applet I used to show it to you. You can try it out yourself also. I write the observations by joining the two trapeziums. The quadrilateral that has been formed is A dash, C dash, B dash, D, and it is a parallelogram with the parallel sides AC dash and B dash D, each equal to A plus B units. So pair of opposite sides parallel and equal gives me a parallelogram. So I get A, C dash, B dash, D is a parallelogram. Next, what do I get? What is the area of this parallelogram? If the area of this trapezium plus the area of the second trapezium, it is equal to the area of this parallelogram. So I'll write the same thing. Area of ABCD plus area of A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. It is equal to the area of the parallelogram A, C dash, B dash, D. Now these two were identical trapeziums, so their areas will be equal. So I can write twice of the area of ABCD is equal to area of the parallelogram AC dash B dash D. Now what is area of the parallelogram? It is equal to the base into the height. Base is how much? A plus B, and the altitude height is how much? It is equal to H. So I get the area of the parallelogram is equal to twice the area of the trapezium was equal to base into altitude. That means area of the trapezium will be equal to half of the base into altitude, the base being A plus B, the height altitude being H. So I get that the area of the trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into H. So I can generalize the result. I conclude that the area of the trapezium is equal to half of the sum of the parallel sides multiplied by the height. So I hope you have followed the activity. Try it out on your own. I think you'll have no problem in doing the activity. Watch the video again in case you have any doubt. Thank you so much.